Brilliant. That was lovely. Brilliant trade. 1.5 candles, 1.5 candles. Got what we wanted straight away. We've got a signal. We're going to take that signal as a sell signal, a small one, but we're going to take it nevertheless. Let's take that. We're in. Right. Now, looking at this at the moment, we can see that we're going to try and target the daily low, which is this one here. This is the daily low we're going to target right there. That's our point of interest. That's where we're trying to target. Stop loss is just going to be above this area here, which is it's like a 12-point stop loss. And our last line of defense is going to be up here. This is where our last line of defense is, just in case of any eventualities. So we're looking at probably a 1-to-1 we're going for. We usually go for 1-to-1s. A 1-to-1 would be fine for me. So let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get something out of this market today. Here is the signal we received. This is our target area down here. Anywhere in that region will be fine. Looking for a 1-to-1 on this trade, and that's about it. 90% spent on the candle. It's going pretty well. We would like it to get into that zone in this candle. I would like that. That's what I would actually like. See if we can come out on the one candle. That'd be brilliant. That'd be just perfect if we can just come out on this one candle. I would like that. 97% spent on the candle. Not much time left. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. But it's still going the same way. Still going our way. We're expecting it to come down straight from there. It's nice. 5% spent. That's good. It's good. Let's see if we can keep it in. Can we keep it in? That's it. We're at our 1-to-1. We've received our 1-to-1. That's our 1 to pulling back a bit. That's good. That's our 1-to-1 right there. Excellent. I'm coming out. I'm coming out. I'm out. Brilliant. That was lovely. Brilliant trade. 1.5 candles, 1.5 candles. Got what we wanted straight away. That's what I like to do. That is the kind of trading I love, because now that's it. I don't have to do anything today. I've done it. I don't have to work hard today, because most of the time you'll be in a trade, you'll lose that trade, you go to another one, win that one, go to another one, then you break even, then you try again, etc., etc., and then maybe at the end of the day you might get something from it. But if you can get something straight away just like that, it's an excellent start to the day. I am not trading again today unless it's a really good deal. Other than that, we've got our points. We got a 1.5-to-1 ratio, if you like those kind of things. That's how much we got, and that's a brilliant trade. I like it. So let me just break down what we just did. We received the signal just after the London Stock Exchange open. Just after London Stock Exchange open, I believe it was this candle it opened on, right? We received the signal on this, which is indicated by this dark red stem. You see the spine in there that would indicate a momentum candle. We went in on that candle and put a mental stop loss of around 12 points on that mental stop loss. We also had a hard stop around this area here. We put a hard stop just in case of any eventualities. And then we said that we want maybe a 1-to-1 on that trade. We were targeting today's low, which is indicated by this dotted line here. That's today's low. This one up here is today's high. We targeted the low, expecting the price to go and give us a new daily low. So we just followed it down. We drew a box here. This is our box, which is our take profit zone. Anywhere in this zone, anywhere in this box from up there to down is a bonus. Anywhere in this box is fantastic. So we just followed it down. We wanted a 1 candle trade. We just had to go just over a bit of a 1 candle trade, and we got a 1.5-to-1 ratio, if you like ratios. And that was it. That was the trade. A very simple trade, but it could have gone a bit funny. Looking at this chart in its entirety, you can see that we are above this line here. This line here represents the 200-day moving average. Any prices above this line represents a bullish price. As far as we're concerned, anything above the 200-day moving average is bullish territory. So we took a sell in a bullish market. So it could have gone pear-shaped. It could have quite easily turned on us, which is probably going to do after it takes these lows out. Once these lows are taken out, it's probably going to turn and then target the daily high. That's probably what's going to happen. But because we only wanted a 1-to-1 out of the trade, we went for the trade and tried to get as much as we can from it. I'm sure it's probably going to go, maybe it will touch this area here, touch this line around here and bounce off it and go straight back up. That's probably its route today, but I cannot tell. I really don't care either. Like I said, we saw what we needed. We took the opportunity. We were not greedy. That's another thing. You have to make sure you're not greedy in this trade. Quick look at the 1 hour chart. You can see that it has been really bullish in the last 24 hours. After a massive decline here, you can see the decline, big sell-off, and then in 1 hour, look at this huge candle. This huge candle is 448 points. That is a massive candle. Massive, huge, colossal candle. So it was a huge bullish push in the last 24 hours. But we don't care whether it's bullish, bearish, whatever. As long as we get a signal and the signal looks okay, we're going to take it. As we said, this area is being targeted and it looks like it's going to go now. These boys are going to fall. These soldiers are going to fall any minute now. Price is very close. Price is matched. So they haven't taken their stops yet. They're going to take the stop. This stop's going to go. These people that have put their money here in anticipating that the price will go up, they're going to be taken out. That's who we targeted. We came out a bit earlier because we know that this price can go up before it comes down and takes their stop. So we just done that in anticipation, and that's it. That's all we done today. Nothing more, nothing less. Just took the trade, took the signal and left. So if you have any questions or if you want us to do a particular type of video, drop me a comment, drop me a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time. When you got a chance, go to Amazon and check out this book. It's called 10 Truths About Forex. It shows you a wide variety of skills and strategies which you can use to target the market. It also shows you a few things that most of the traders and all the books don't really tell you. Things that you need to know, the things that you will find out later after your account is blown. So check it out. Link in description.